Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the symptoms of bad control arm bushings in your vehicle. Control arm bushings play a crucial role in the suspension system, so it's important to recognize the signs of wear and tear. 1. Uneven tire wear. One of the first signs of bad control arm bushings is uneven tire wear. If you notice that your tires are wearing down unevenly or more quickly than usual, it could be a sign that the control arm bushings are worn out. This can lead to poor alignment and handling issues. 2. Vibrations and steering wheel shaking. Another common symptom is vibrations or shaking in the steering wheel while driving. Worn control arm bushings can cause the suspension components to become loose, leading to vibrations that are felt through the steering wheel. If you experience this, it's important to have your control arm bushings inspected. 3. Clunking or squeaking noise. Listen for any clunking or squeaking noises coming from the front of your vehicle, especially when going over bumps or rough roads. Worn control arm bushings can cause the control arms to move excessively, resulting in noise that indicates a problem with the bushings. 4. Poor handling and stability. Bad control arm bushings can also affect the handling and stability of your vehicle. You may notice that your car feels less stable when cornering or that it doesn't respond as well to steering inputs. This can be a dangerous issue that needs to be addressed promptly. 5. Excessive tire vibration. Lastly, if you feel excessive vibration coming from the front end of your vehicle, particularly at higher speeds, it could be a sign of worn control arm bushings. This vibration can affect the overall comfort and performance of your vehicle. How to replace control arm bushings. Gather materials and tools. Before you begin, make sure you have the necessary materials and tools. You'll need new control arm bushings, a jack and jack stands, a socket set, a torque wrench, and a ball joint separator tool. Lift and secure the vehicle. Start by lifting your vehicle using a jack and securing it with jack stands. Make sure the vehicle is stable and secure before you begin working underneath it. Remove the control arm. Next, remove the control arm from the vehicle. Use the appropriate socket sizes to loosen and remove the bolts holding the control arm in place. You may need to use a ball joint separator tool to detach the control arm from the steering knuckle. Replace the bushings. Once the control arm is removed, you can access the old bushings. Use a press or a bushing removal tool to remove the old bushings from the control arm. Then, install the new bushings by pressing them into place. Reinstall the control arm. With the new bushings in place, reattach the control arm to the vehicle using the bolts and torque wrench. Make sure to tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications to ensure proper alignment and suspension function. Lower the vehicle and test drive. Finally, lower the vehicle from the jack stands and take it for a test drive to ensure everything is working properly. Pay attention to any changes in handling, steering, or noise levels that may indicate a successful replacement. That concludes our tutorial on how to replace control arm bushings in your vehicle. Remember to follow safety precautions and consult your vehicle's manual for specific instructions. Proper maintenance of your suspension system is essential for a safe and smooth ride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive DIY tutorials.